Hello guys, today we're going to be learning how to copy multiple things at once. So if you don't know how copying already works, it's Control C and then Control V after you highlight something. So if per se I really like this paragraph, I can do this. Yeah, you could just copy anything. The problem with this is you can't really go back in your history of what you previously copied. And it only pastes the thing you just recently copied. You can't go back. So if you wanted to, like, say, oh, I lost my information on this, how do I take it back? Well, you can't. Well, to prevent this from happening and to actually copy multiple things at once to see your history, you're going to do the keybind Windows key V. And this has this little window that pops up, and it's basically telling you you can turn this on. So if you toggle this on, this allows you to see your copy history. So if I wanted to copy something random like this or like this, you could just do this and you can find your recent copied stuff and then your history as well with it. So if I wanted to do this, I can do this, you could go nuts with it. And yeah, this is how you copy multiple things at once. I really hope you like this tutorial. Also, side note, if you per se didn't like this at all, you thought it was really annoying or just didn't like this, you could actually turn this off in clipboard settings. Yeah, you could just search that up and toggle this off. And yeah, I really hope you like this tutorial. Consider leaving a like and subscribing if you will. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.